Today we're diving into the fascinating life of John D. Rockefeller, a man whose name is synonymous with wealth, success, and a profound commitment to giving back. Rockefeller's story is not just about his incredible fortune, but also about his lasting impact through philanthropy. In this video, we'll explore Rockefeller's extraordinary journey, his revolutionary business strategies, and the invaluable lessons we can learn from his approach to philanthropy. Get ready to be inspired and discover how Rockefeller's legacy continues to shape the world today. Number 5. Focus and discipline. John D. Rockefeller's success was built on a foundation of unwavering focus and discipline. He believed that to achieve great things, one must first define a clear goal and then work tirelessly towards it. This principle is especially relevant in today's fast-paced world, where distractions abound. Rockefeller understood the power of single-minded focus. He wasn't easily swayed by the latest trends of fads. Instead, he stayed true to his vision and remained disciplined in his pursuit of it. This focus allowed him to make strategic decisions that ultimately led to his success. Discipline was another key aspect of Rockefeller's approach. He lived by the philosophy of paying yourself first, meaning he prioritized saving and investing before spending on luxuries. This discipline enabled him to accumulate wealth steadily over time. In our own lives, we can apply Rockefeller's principles by identifying our long-term goals and then staying focused on them. This might mean saying no to short-term pleasures or distractions in favor of activities that align with our goals. By maintaining focus and discipline, we can achieve great things, just like John D. Rockefeller. Number 4. Strategic investments. Rockefeller was a master of strategic investments. His success was not just about making money, but about making smart, calculated decisions that paid off in the long run. One of Rockefeller's key rules for success was his approach to investing. He didn't just invest in any opportunity that came his way. He carefully analyzed each investment to ensure it aligned with his long-term goals. He focused on industries with high growth potential, such as oil, and made strategic acquisitions that allowed him to dominate the market. Rockefeller's success in investing can be attributed to his ability to think ahead and anticipate future trends. He didn't just follow the crowd, he had a vision for where industries were heading and positioned himself accordingly. This foresight allowed him to stay ahead of the competition and capitalize on emerging opportunities. In today's world, Rockefeller's approach to investing still holds true. Success in investing requires more than just luck. It requires a strategic mindset and a willingness to take calculated risks. By following Rockefeller's example and focusing on strategic investments, you can increase your chance of success and build wealth over the long term. Number 3. Financial discipline. He didn't just spend money, he made sure every penny was working for him. Rockefeller believed in living below his means and saving a substantial portion of his income. This discipline allowed him to invest wisely and grow his wealth exponentially. Rockefeller's approach teaches us that financial success isn't just about how much you earn. It's about how you manage and grow what you have. By living within your means and saving diligently, you can create a strong financial foundation. This foundation gives you the freedom to invest in opportunities that can further increase your wealth. So take a page from Rockefeller's book and prioritize financial discipline. Budget carefully, save consistently, and invest wisely. Over time, these habits can lead to financial security and prosperity. Number 2. Long-term vision. John D. Rockefeller's success was built on his remarkable long-term vision. He didn't just think about quick wins. He planned for the distant future. Rockefeller understood that true success takes time and patience. He focused on building a strong foundation that would support his goals for years to come. Rockefeller's long-term vision was evident in his approach to business. Instead of seeking short-term profits, he invested in industries with long-term growth potential like oil. This strategic thinking allowed him to build an empire that would stand the test of time. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in an instant gratification. But Rockefeller's story reminds us the power of thinking ahead. Whether in business, education, or personal goals, having a long-term vision can guide our actions today and lead to lasting success tomorrow. So the next time you're tempted by a quick fix, remember Rockefeller's lesson and keep your eyes on the horizon. Number 1. Philanthropy. Rockefeller believed strongly in the power of philanthropy. His approach to giving back offers valuable lessons for success beyond just amassing wealth. Rockefeller understood that true success is not just about personal gain, but about making a positive impact on the world around us. His philanthropic efforts were strategic, aiming to address root causes and create lasting change. He focused in areas like education, public health, and scientific research, leaving a legacy that continues to benefit society. Rockefeller's approach to philanthropy teaches us that success is not measured solely by our financial achievements, but by the positive impact we have on others. By giving back and supporting causes we believe in, we can create a legacy that extends far beyond our own lifetimes. So as you pursue your goals, remember Rockefeller's lesson: true success lies in using your resources to make the world a better place. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content on history, success, and making a difference. And don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your thoughts on Rockefeller's approach to philanthropy. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep making a positive impact in your own way.